Hi, I'm Prince Oluwatosin by name, a new media consultant, and I help brands build an effective online presence using social media as a tool. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple guide to help you create your first Facebook page for your business. This is actually very important if you are looking at running sponsored advertisements for your brand to further reach a wide audience and increase your brand exposure. So what you do right now, the very two things I need from you right now is to download your Facebook page manager and also the Facebook app. You'll be using any of these two to create your own personal Facebook page. In case you are seeing this video for the first time, I want you to click on the follow button right now and turn on the post notification. Please just follow me, as every content on this platform is actually tailored to helping you build an effective brand on the digital space. So let's dive into the do it yourself process right now. I'll be showing you my screen on how to do this for your brand.
Okay, so this is what you want to do. You open your Facebook app, then go to the menu section here. You can also do this on your browser. Just visit www.facebook.com and log in with your account. So here you will be seeing this is the new interface, Facebook new interface. In case you are not operating the new interface, you might find it somewhere else, but just click on your pages. So if you don't have a page, you just see create page or your page there. So these are actually some pages I managed to mind me. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You click on create. So I'm just getting started at creating your page. So that's it. Just get started with your page name. For this tutorial, I'll be using what should I use? Lucky atmosphere. I wonder what this person is actually doing. Atmosphere. I wonder the business the person is actually does. So I'm just using that. So the next thing you want to do is to select a category for yourself. So the kind of business the person is actually doing should well, let's say either a personal blog or product or service or whichever it is the person is doing. So let's just go for health and beauty. Asking us to select more. So just pick one. Okay, so just add and so you click on next. So you enter the address, your address, you can just say Lagos, Nigeria. You can either add your address or remove it. So whichever is it, let's add it. Lagos State, yeah, and click next. Then do you have a website? Yeah, if you don't have a website, you can just use your WhatsApp link, which is what mine is wa dot I don't mind that. Okay, wa dot me slash. Okay, so that's mine. In case you want to add yours, you just wipe out the 234 and the phone number and add yours. So you can also select I don't have website. So it depends on what you. But I advise you to just add a link. It can be your Instagram link, it can be your Facebook link, it can be your WhatsApp link, whichever. So you add a cover picture. So let's assume this. Okay, so let's just pick one. Just pick one. Okay, so remind me, that's just one of the content I'm coming up with. So you add a cover photo. Yeah, so you see, so the page is done. I don't want to create this account, that's why I'm not creating done. So it's just a test account for you. So that's just it. All you need to do is just go on and start creating with your page, start posting meaningful content, interacting with people, and earning sponsored adverts on your page and all that. Yeah, that's all. So thank you for watching to this end. If you are not following me right now, I want you to just click the follow button up there and turn on the post notification. Do remember to drop a comment or like this post, share to your story, reach out to more people with this content as possible. So thank you.